Hello students, how can we solve the value of x? So I can write it by cross multiplication. Solution, it should be by cross multiplication. So 64 multiplied by 64, which is equal to x square multiplied by x square. So this will become 64 square equal to x square whole power square. Okay, so this I shift it to the left hand side. So x square power square equal to 64 square. Okay, so it will become, if I take under root on both sides, x square whole square under the root 64 square under root. Okay, so this equation will become plus minus, so x, this cancel with this under the root, so x square will become equal plus minus, this will cancel with this 64. Okay, so there is two possible value of x square. So one is x square is 6 plus 64, and the other is x square equal to negative 64. If I take under root, this is x square under the root equal to plus 64. I can write as 64 as 8 square. So x square under the root equal to 8 square under the root. Okay, so x will become equal to, this will cancel with this and 2 will cancel with this under the root, so plus minus 8. Okay, so x1 value may be 8 or x2 value may be minus 8. Okay, so if I solve this, so x square, when I take under root on both sides, on this and this side, so this under root cancel with this, here we left x, and 64 I can write 8 square negative 1, so here is under the root and the other is side b under the root, so x will become equal to, this under root cancel with this, plus minus 8, and under root negative 1 is equal to iota. Okay, so x3 may be plus 8 iota and x4 value may be negative 8 iota. Okay, this equation has four possible values. X may be 8, x may be minus 8, and x may be 8 iota, and x may be minus 8 iota. Okay, thank you very much.